First, grab your T30 Torx screwdriver and remove the 4 screws that secure the outer fairing. Next, take off the windshield trim and the motorcycle windshield. After that, remove the original air duct. Take out the new air duct and attach the 10 clips from the accessory pack to it as shown in the video. Assemble the air duct with the clips properly attached. Install the new air duct into place. Finally, put back the outer fairing, windshield, and windshield trim securely.